Hey, welcome back to another week of Commodore Connections with Mr. Elliott and my class. Let's go over to the weather with Blake.
Weather with Blake Lee, Gabriel Mattingly, and in today's weather, lowest is 67, 47, and our highest is 67. Tomorrow, Thursday, our highest is 70, and our lowest is 51. And some Friday, it's mostly sunny. And the highest is 77, and the lowest is 53. And today, it's 20% rain. Tomorrow, 10% rain, and Friday, 10% rain again.
That's your weather.
And that's your weather. Hi, this is Ryan with breaking news. Today was our first day back this week. On Monday we had Labor Day. Yesterday was a virtual day. Let's go to Colin with interviews about virtual day.
Hi, my name's Colin. Today we're going to interview virtual. What's your name? Chloe.
Who's your teacher and what grade are you in, Chloe?
Miss Shelby in 2nd grade. How would you like virtual day? I liked it. And did you do anything fun over it? Mostly watch videos. Okay. And what do you think about virtual day? I think it's awesome. After you did all your work, did you do anything? No, not really. Thanks, Chloe. Hi, my name's Colin. Today I'm interviewing virtual day. So what's your name? Cadence?
Who's your teacher, Cadence?
Miss Andre. And what grade are you in? First. And did you like the virtual day? Yes. So did you do anything fun over the long weekend? I went to the park. And thank you. My name's Colin. What's your name?
My name's Miss Pam.
And did you have a good long weekend?
Yes, I did. I went shopping and cleaned my camper and just get ready for camping.
What do you do?
What do I do? I'm a teacher's assistant and I love my job. I love all the kids. Have fun.
Thank you.
You're very...
Hi, my name is Mrs. Bryant, and I'm in Mr. Elliott's 2nd grade class. What's your name?
Tristan Faith Street.
And what's your name?
Cameron.
What did you guys do this weekend when we weren't at school?
I have a dinosaur egg and it hatched already and now it's growing.
She had a dinosaur hatch this weekend. What did you do, Cam?
When I was playing with my friends, I started to jump on a trampoline.
That's so cool. Who's your teacher here at Perry Central?
Miss Holmes.
Is Miss Holmes your teacher too?
Yeah. No, Miss Taylor.
Miss Taylor?
Yeah.
What grade are you guys in?
We are in
Preschool. Thank you so much for letting me interview you guys. Can you wave bye? Bye.
Look at my dog. What was your favorite thing to do over the weekend?
We went fishing at the lake one day.
That's exactly what I did.
It is cool.
Did you travel anywhere for the summer?
For the summer, for the summer I went to Michigan once and I went to North Carolina once.
Two places that I've never been. I didn't travel anywhere far, but still, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Well, thanks for watching Commodore Connections, and that wraps it up for this week. Until next week, keep sailing, Commodores.